Okay guys, now welcome to my channel Technical Adda, and in the part 1 session of PHP we will know that what is PHP and how we will start the programming with PHP. First of all point we will know that what is PHP, then we will know what is PHP. Then first point, PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, that is the full form of PHP. Okay, PHP is an open source programming language. What is PHP? PHP is an open source programming language. And what includes the PHP? Here some basics. We know that PHP include script which can be executed on the server. PHP includes that scripts which we can easily run on our server. Okay, before know the PHP, that is the topic. What before PHP matlab we want to go code on PHP programming language. Okay, before the PHP programming language, what we should know? We must know about the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And for the proper programming language through which we can code in PHP, then we must knowledge about the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay guys, now we will know more about the PHP. As currently we are seeing that the biggest blogger through which we can access many things, just like mini small blogger, and there are many sites. A lot of huge data is accessing here, and that is WordPress, which is accessing in which language? That is in PHP. We can say easily that PHP can contain a largest base of database. Okay, I have one more real-time example. Everyone is executing what? Facebook. If we are executing the Facebook, then what we are seeing? That Facebook has a lot of data, a lot of accessing user currently. So but it's working properly. That is word on whose language? That is a PHP. It is very easy beginners on server side. Okay, that beginners who want to code, on our server side programming language, okay, then they must choose the PHP because it is very easy. Now we will know in this content that what we can do through the PHP. And the first point is we can generate the dynamic page content. Okay, what? Dynamic page content. And now we will know that what is dynamic page content. Dynamic means which is movable, which is runnable easily. Then we can say easily that dynamic page content, it means we can develop that pages so we can access our data dynamically. Okay, and through the PHP we can do many things, just like what? Create, open, read, write, delete and close what? Files. Through the PHP we can create, open, read, write, delete and close the files. And that files where it will be exist? On server, because it's a server side programming language. Okay guys, now third point is we can collect the data through its programming language, that is a PHP. As for real-time example we will seeing that the Facebook is collecting all of them the data. We are submitting our data on Facebook and we are seeing that every data has been recorded on the server of Facebook. That is what is doing. What it's doing, it is collecting the data, and Facebook is currently running on its language, that is PHP. And now there are many points, just like add, okay, delete, modify, and also there are many attributes which can be done by PHP. And the most important point in PHP, that is what, that is security. And for the security, what we will do in PHP, we can encrypt the data. It means we can easily encrypt the data and make it secure with the help of PHP programming language. And one most important thing which you must all of know about the PHP, that we can execute easily HTML, and we can make an output through the HTML page on the PHP. And it's not limited, not only with the help of HTML, you can take the output through which PDF, Flash, XHTML, and XML. All of these what's giving output with the help of what, PHP. With the help of PHP, we can take the output on such types of code, HTML, PDF, and Flash coded, also Flash videos, whatever else included in Flash, HTML output, and also we can take the XML output with the help of PHP. Okay guys, and before starting the programming with the PHP, we must know that why we select the PHP. Now the most important topic is that why PHP. Okay guys, then in this part we will know that why we choose the PHP. Okay guys, then first point is it can run on various platform. It can run on various platform. PHP is a server-side language, so it can be easily run on various platform. And in the platform, we know that we have many platforms, just like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and also there are many platforms available for PHP, on which PHP can be executed easily. Okay, and the second point is what, PHP is compatible with almost all server. And that is the most important part of PHP, that PHP is compatible with almost all server used today. Just like today we are using Apache IIS and such type of many servers, and the PHP is compatible to execute almost all the server. Okay, and now the next point is the next point is it support large database. Okay, PHP supports a lot of database through which we can execute how much data we want. There are no problem with PHP, we can execute. I have if I have a lot of data, then we can easily execute on the PHP. Just like we can see the example, WordPress and Facebook are executing too much data, and the various and normal things about the PHP. Why we must choose the PHP? Because PHP is easy to learn on server. Okay, as the purpose of server side programming language, PHP is very easy to learn. That is the point. Okay, and now we will take a flashback about the PHP. That Firstly, I learned what is a PHP, and I will start programming in PHP. Okay, what is PHP? We know about it. PHP is hypertext preprocessor. PHP is an open source programming language, and PHP also include script which can be executed easily on server. Okay, the next point which we know on the PHP tutorial. Before PHP, we must know what we know: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, and the next point is PHP includes and contains the lot of data, and currently there are many core blog, a huge blog, biggest language, biggest platform is working on a PHP, just like a WordPress, Facebook, and it is also a server side language, and it is very helpful especially for beginners who want to do work on server side. Okay, and the next point is PHP can do what PHP can do. PHP can create a dynamic page content. PHP can create, open, read, write, delete, and close files where on a server. Okay, and PHP also collect the data. PHP add, delete, modify, and there are many attributes which has been done in PHP, and we can encrypt the data. Okay, that is the most important part. What is it? We can encrypt the data, and if we want to encrypt the data, then we can make secure our data through the encryption which is supported in PHP. And now we will make a normal flash on output of the PHP. Then not only PHP gives the output of HTML, it also can take output which files are just like PDF files, flash movies. XHTML and XML also support for take it output. Now we must know about it, that why we should choose the PHP. Okay, first point is it can run on various platform, just like Windows, Linux, Mac OS. We can easily execute the PHP on every platform on which we want to work. We can execute PHP easily. Okay, PHP is compatible with almost all server used today. PHP is compatible with almost server currently. Today we are using many such type of server for executing our programs. Then PHP is easily compatible for managing all the server, just like Apache, IIS, etc. And PHP is support a large of database. If we have a large database, then there are no problem, you can easily execute on the PHP. And PHP is very easy to learn. If we want to learn a server side language easily, then we must choose a PHP. Okay guys, now this is the tutorial in which we know that what is PHP. Now we will know that how we can start the programming in PHP. Okay guys, now the most important topic we are going to learn about it, that how we will start the programming with PHP. Okay guys, now my topic is how to start programming with PHP. Okay guys, that is very important topic to know all of you about, that how you will start the programming with the PHP, because it's initial point where you will know about that how we can execute a program with the help of PHP programming language and make the output on the browser. Okay, before programming, a little bit of things you must know, that what is the syntax of PHP, and that is the point you must know about what is the syntax of PHP. Okay guys, now we will know about the PHP script, that how we will write it. Now first point is it start with what, that is question mark sign, PHP. And guys, that is it's starting, we will always start with this. Okay guys, and now we will know how we can end of the program of the PHP. And now the second point, how to end. We must know about the end of PHP. Then we will close the tags of PHP as per we are seeing that what that is the starting point, and that is the end point of a PHP programs. Okay guys, now we will know its exact syntax, what will be the exact syntax. Okay guys, for the exact syntax, what it will be as per you are saying, it start with the question mark PHP. Okay guys, then we will start it question mark PHP. Okay guys, and now what we will saying, between it we will what write the PHP code here, this between this and it will be closed by this. It's a starting point and it's a ending point, and between both of them we will write our PHP code. We will write our PHP code. Okay guys, and now we will know the extension of PHP. Okay guys, extension of PHP, and in the term of extension, what is the extension will be, that is data PHP. We will always save all the files with the extension of data PHP. Okay guys, now we will know about the program. Now we will know about the program. We will write our first program in PHP and know where it should be saved, and how we should start our server, and how we can print our first output with the help of PHP. Okay guys, now the main topic is going to start, and you must be careful and watch is very carefully, that it is a very important topic. Okay guys, now your topic start. What is the topic? Our first program in PHP. Okay guys, what is the first topic? Our first program in PHP. Okay, now we will write our first program. Okay guys, our first program is what? Firstly we will initial the PHP programs. Okay, we will know about this tag. We will know about this tag, that is the tag through which we will start the PHP. Okay guys, there are no problem. Now click Okay, now we will write echo. Echo in PHP, echo works for taking the output. If we want to print something, then what we will use? We will use the echo. Okay, guys. Between double quotes, we will write what we want to print and what we should the printer size for defining the size of our output. We can use our HTML tags. We are using here what s2 through with the help of s2. Okay, I want to print what welcome in PHP word. Welcome in a PHP word and is closed with the semicolon of course. Okay guys, and now the second we want to again print the some lines. Okay guys, there are no problem. Okay, again we will write what echo. Again we will write what echo. Okay, now we are seeing. Okay, now we will write here welcome in PHP word with the technical adda. Okay, now we are going to print. There are two lines. First is what welcome in PHP word, and second is what with the help of what with the help of a technical adda. Okay, now we will close. Now we will what close. That's it. That is the our first PHP program. Now we have a condition. We are writing this PHP program simply on the WordPad. Now we must know where we should write it and where we should save it and how we will get my output with the help of a Jumper server. Okay, okay guys. Now we will sing that where we should open an editor. Open an editor. This is the first step. We will open the editor, and after opening the editor, what we will do? Write the PHP code. We will write the PHP code, and now the task is where we will save this code with the .php extension. Okay guys, now open your that directory where jump installed. Okay guys, now we will open that directory where we have installed the jump, and now we will select what we will select. We will select the htdocs folder. We will select the htdocs folder and save. Then what? Name .php. That is the complete writing and saving a PHP script procedure. Okay guys, now we will open an editor. Okay, first of all we will see I have an editor notepad. Okay guys, now we will search what notepad. We have only what notepad. You can use what notepad plus plus. Okay guys, now we will download what notepad plus plus. That is a good editor, not bad. Okay, we will download what notepad plus plus. Okay, notepad plus plus, we will download it for 64 bit. Okay guys, now it will download. Okay, as per we are seeing it's downloading, and I have a PHP code, and we will. Okay guys, now we are seeing that I have a good editor is going to download, and that is notepad plus plus you can also use the NetBean for the PHP programming. There are many editors which you can select. Okay, now we will install the notepad plus plus. Okay guys, select the language. Okay, next, agree, next. Okay, create a shortcut and icon. Create a shortcut and icon. Okay guys, now we will open a safe and clear notepad panel. Okay guys, now we will write our what we will write our code on PHP. Okay guys, we will start, that is a question mark, and question mark what is PHP. Okay guys, now as per we wrote our code here. Okay, that is PHP, and what we write here, and we write, that is now we will take that code here. Okay, we will find out I have written my code here. Okay, now we will close it. Now we will close it and find out that our output is given or not. Okay guys, now make a closure. Okay, that is our my PHP code. Okay, now we will save it. Save as where I say select that directory where you have installed what you have installed your jump server. I have installed my jump server where in C. Okay guys, that is the jump server. Okay, jump open, and now we will select what we will select what st docs. What st docs. Okay guys, now we will select our st docs, and that is here. Okay guys, now we will save here. Okay, now we are testing my first PHP code, then my first, and what is the extension is dot PHP. Okay guys, now we will see. Okay, our code has been saved here as per we are seeing, that is our code. Okay, now the term when we will execute it, what is the term? Now execution. Now we want to start what execution. For the proper execution, first of all we must start our server. Start server. As per on previous video we discussed about the server. We will mention the link about my previous video through which you can know that how you will install the server. Okay guys, now we will start the server. Okay, we will open my control panel with XAMPP. Okay, now we will start what Apache. As per we are seeing, our Apache server has started. Okay, now we will start what our MySQL. Okay, now our server has been started. Okay, now we will open what open browser. Now we will take our output where we will take our output browser. As per we discuss what we will check that our server is running, and that is localhost our server is running. Okay, for the further running process we will avoid tills the stdocs, and we will write what we will write our source code name, that was what my first .php, where in search bar. Okay, now the term is that we will write, first of all we will check it that the name is right or not. Okay guys, now we will go in jump to stdocs. What is my first .php? Okay guys, now we will know about the running process. We will type what local host slash what was my project name. My first project name is my first dot php. Okay, now we will make enter. Okay guys, as per we are seeing, that is the output. First output is welcome in technical word, and second output with the help of adda. Okay, it's showing in one line. Okay, now we will make it a break, and if we want to make a break, okay, then we will use the break statement. Okay guys, now we will see. Oh no, see jump st docs my first dot php online 3. We are seeing an unexpected error. Okay guys, now we will use what break, and we will close the break. Okay, now we will check our output. Now if we want to check our output, okay guys, now we have successfully printed my first program, and that is the first output, what welcome in a php word. As per we are seeing our code, and first was what welcome in a php word, and the second with the help of technical adda. Okay, we will see. And the second is what with the help of technical adda. Okay guys, these are all the process through which we will make our first program and execute it successfully. Okay guys, as per you are seeing, that is our first program in php, that how we will start our programming. Okay guys, now we will know about the little bit of server. For the proper execution of our programming, we must start the server. That person, that student who have no idea about the server, they can watch my previous video which was on the server, how they can install, how they can start. Okay guys, now please subscribe my channel, and click on the bell icon, through which you will get and updated my videos php, which will be very helpful for you.